In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add alt text to images on Squarespace 7.1. Alt text is the short written description that helps describe an image to people who use screen readers, and it can also support search engines in understanding what your image shows. In Squarespace 7.1, adding alt text is a quick edit you can make directly in the image settings. I will walk you through the process step by step, and as you follow along, you will see where each control is located on your screen. First, log into your Squarespace account. Once you are signed in, take a moment to make sure you are on your main dashboard area, where you can access your site and its pages. Logging in sets you up so you can open the exact page you want to edit. Next, open the Pages panel and select your page. On your site editor, you will typically see a panel that lists your pages. Click the relevant page so the editor loads the content for that specific page. This matters because alt text is applied to the image on that page, not just to the general asset in the background. After you have the right page open, click Edit. This switches you into an editing mode, which makes it possible to select elements on the page and change their settings. If you do not see editing options, make sure you are in the editor, not just viewing the live page. Now click on the image to select it. When you select an image, Squarespace usually highlights it and reveals editing tools for that image. Take a moment to confirm that the image is selected, because the pencil icon that you need will only appear after the image is active. Next, click the pencil icon labeled Edit Image that appears on the image. This opens the image editing panel. This is the place where you can adjust details about the image, including the description used for accessibility. Once the image editing panel is open, click the Content tab. The Content tab groups together the core information for the image. This is where the alt text field is typically located, so switching to this tab helps you find the correct setting quickly. After you open the Content tab, locate the alt text field, which may also be labeled Image Alt Text. This is the specific input where you will type a clear description. Look for the text box that is either explicitly named alt text or uses an equivalent label, and make sure you are typing into the correct field. Then enter your description in the text box. Keep the description straightforward and specific to what is shown in the image. For example, describe the subject, the purpose of the image, and any important context that a viewer would need if they could not see it. The goal is to communicate the meaning of the image, not just repeat generic words like image or photo. After you have typed the alt text, click Save. Saving confirms the change and updates how the image will be described for accessibility and search purposes. If you do not see the update reflected immediately, give the editor a moment to reload the image settings. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add alt text to images on Squarespace 7.1.